Python curses. How to change cursor position with Curses.Setsyx, YX. I am learning how to use curses and I am trying to create a simple program to start off. I am expecting this program to have a Q printed in the top left corner always, then it prints the most recently pressed character in 1, 1. But I'm not sure how to set the position of the cursor, which should be changed by using the Curses.Setsyx, YX, function, but it isn't working. Here is my program. Any ideas on why it isn't doing anything? When I use get6, it gets 3, 3 but the cursor's true position doesn't change.
Setsyx and get6 affect a special workspace screen named NewsCur, which is used to construct changes sent to stdscr when you call refresh. stdscr has its own position, which is not affected by those calls.
You can use stdscr.getx and stdscr.move YX instead.
stdscr.move YX moves the stdscr's cursor, which is used for output position of characters. So you should use this one. Curses.Setsyx YX moves the newscur's cursor, which is used for show the cursor on the screen. How to use Setsyx? You will see the number showed 1 by 1, but the cursor always show at 1, 0. The normal refresh call is simply not refresh, followed by duplicate, but we need Setsyx in the middle, so call them separately.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.